of the huge data collection, or else we can call as a warehouse of the huge file collection with the help of the like data collections like float, int, double, which are saved in the various file types. There are majorly two file types available in the C. Those are like binary and the txt file or the text file. First one we are gonna learn about the text file. The text files are the simple text file where we can save a name, anything like email ID, roll number, which are gonna save in the notepad. But these we can create using the help of the C code. And these extension, the file type and the extension of the text file is like .txt, and another one is like binary files. The binary files are the collection of zeros and one. But in these binary files, we are gonna see that it is a collection of int, float, and double. And now we are gonna see about the highlighted part, which I have highlighted. So the file space file underscore ptr, which is used to open the file, and file underscore ptr is equal to f open, and in brackets semicolon file name dot txt. This is what the file name we are gonna give here. This is used to open the file and mod the file. So why, you might be doubt why we are using this w. So I have given here the dictionary and the description and the opening modes. So R is used to search the file, RB is used to search the binary files, W is used to write the file, and WB used to write the binary file, A is used to search the file, AB is used to search the binary file, R plus is used to like search the file with administrative right, RB is used to search the binary file with the administrative right. All these things are the same. So now, like, here's the syntax: P is equal to F open, brackets, in that file open, comma, and again we are gonna mod. The mod is like now what I say, RB plus, W plus, and WR. All this gonna come here, and file open means like our, like, for example, omega dot C or omega dot txt, anything we can gonna call here. P is equal to, here's the demo, so P is equal to F open hello.txt, or I said right, what we gonna use, search the file if file is opened or not. So this is what the R uses. So now we have seen the demo. Now we are gonna continue with our coding. So this is one demo code which I have write. So these are the, like, include studio.h, includes lib.h, and this is the int main, like int and main, our like class. So file.ptr, which I have explained over here to you, is that file.ptr, which we're gonna open the file has. So here what we have, pointer we have declared over here. PTR is equal to F open. So this is what our file gonna save with empty file. This is W for write, and failed condition. If anything happens, if you're gonna open this file in some other, like if I gonna show you that, like if I come here and if I go to this folder and in C, if you're gonna write over here, it is not available because you require administrator right to write in this C drive. So as you see, in my case, I doesn't have any additional drive, so I have created in this documents daily. So this is one folder name where I have created. So you can see that omega.c file is available. So I have created here. If anything happens, if the pointer doesn't pointer is able is pointer points to null, or it couldn't able to create a file, then it will show a print error, like error could not occurred while creating a file, and this is gonna shows in the terminal. And then after that, it suddenly close the file which is we are gonna create, and if the file is created, then it will print a file is created and it will go to return 0. So return 0 is used to, like, stop the function, do not it able to doesn't create the multiple what do we say, multiple copies of the same file and overwrite again and again. So if I gonna run this, it is running. So it is yeah, it is done. So if I gonna come, is we can see file is created. uh, if we come to this, we can see like application.exe, why it is created, you might be wondering. So because, like, we are using the visual codes, it is like taking the application into .exe also, because visual code only understands the .exe, and I am using the .runner as my extension. So we can see the empty file is created, the hello. It doesn't have any content. So we are gonna write a, so so now we are gonna, like, we have created a file. So now we're gonna write something in that file, right? So now I'm gonna create a new file. So I will give omega write. Okay, so I will give omega write dot c. I will click enter and create file. So I will gonna paste the content, and here in this case, like what you gonna see, like we have like the same code, but instead of that we are gonna write data to be inserted. So we are gonna add exit after the error. We can see the same error, like after that exist we have to add like extra one line code, which could be like char string is equal to, like in semicolon we want to write anything. So I can edit this: welcome to omega coding club. And after that you have put what we say string, and this is pointer, and file closes again. After the creation of the file, we can like again close the file. Then after that we are gonna see that data has been, inside written inside the file. So let me run this. So yeah, we have successfully run the code. Now if I go and check hello again. So see, this is what we are gonna get. This is the old one, where we doesn't have anything. Now we got the welcome to Omega Coding Club. Now you might be wondered how to insert a new text, right? Or overwrite the same file. So this is what the writing part is. Like now we are gonna again create a new file, and I will like now we are gonna create a reading file, so which will be able to read. So again, I will paste the content and see that we are having the same thing, but we have inserted fopen. So it will use the fopen to open the file, and that same like pointer is equal to null if anything happens error or in the error while creating the file. So it will print error while opening the file and exit the code. So if I run the code again, yeah, we run, but we are couldn't able to open because already we are running with the same file. Or else let me close this one and run again. If it opens, then okay. If doesn't open, means we will have to try with the what we say CMD. So it doesn't open due to the third party application doesn't support it in the Visual Codes, but you can try this code in C compiler in Windows, integrated with Windows. Yeah. So this is what we have learned in this. Like first we learned how to create a file with empty, how to create an empty file, and then we read that how to insert a text in the file and how to overwrite with the same file. Then we came how to read the file, but due to the errors in the Visual Codes we couldn't able to run this one. Yeah. So we learned about omega read, right? Now we are going with our next part, that is omega seek. So what is seeking means? Like seeking means like skipping a part which we don't wanna like include with our code. So this is a sample code. You know that like starting to ending, what is this? And here is fput, which is means we are gonna insert the code, insert the text into our file, and this is fseek. Fseek is a function used to skip the part. If I use fset, which I'm gonna mention here, here is what we are gonna see. If we use seekend, it denotes the end of the file. If seek set is there, then it will be like denotes the starting of the file. If seeker is there, then it will be like the denotes the file pointer's current position. So let me run this code, and let's see what we are gonna get. Yeah, if I run this code, what we are gonna get like welcome to Omega Club. But here we want to skip this Omega. So let's see what we got. Let me refresh. See, we have skipped the Omega. Welcome to Club we got. So now if I put here secant, let's see what is gonna skip. Control S and say, run again and refresh. See, we got a space over here, but we seek the 11 space. So we have got the 11 points difference between these things. And let me try with the curve. Okay, see curve. And if I run this one, yeah, here's the same point because in Seeker we are gonna see that where the pointer has been allotted, it will be like staying the same place. Doesn't gonna change in the same code. Yeah. Now we are gonna see like rewind part in our C programming and file input output. So omega rewind dot c and enter. Now I'm gonna paste the code. So this is what the file open to read, like f open is equal to hello.txt r plus, you know what we have said here. So r plus is used to find and search in the administrator, right? And rewind ptr is equal to string int, we are gonna say around 50. Okay, null is equal to, you know why we are using null, if any error occurs then it will stop over there only. So, and here also we're gonna give around 55 and plus from the code. So, so we're gonna get the same one. Let's write in the new one. So we got hello one. Uh, we are gonna see the same thing because in rewind we doesn't able to change the directions. So yeah, thank you for